For the verse of this song, we're going to go back and forth between just two chords, starting on a B minor, B, D, F sharp, and then going to a G major, G, B, D. In one hand, that could look like this in block chords. B minor, 2 measures, G major, 2 measures. Repeat. In two hands, that verse pattern could look like this. 2, 3, 4. The pre-chorus pattern features 3 chords, starting on E minor, E, G, B, climbing up to F sharp minor, F sharp, A, C sharp, and climbing up another half step to G, B, D, that's a G major chord, in two hands, starting on E minor. That pre-chorus pattern could look like this. 2, 3, 4. And lastly, we have the chorus pattern. It begins on a D major, D, F sharp, A. We're gonna then passing tone A major, A, C sharp, E, on our way down to G major, G, B, D. And then take that passing tone A, back up to the D major, and we'll restart it. In one hand, that chorus chord progression could look like this. 2, 3, 4, D major, A, G, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, A, D. Repeat. In two hands, the chorus pattern could look and sound like this, starting on D major, 2, 3, 4,